In project management, the triple constraint is the balance between scope, time, and cost. Scope is what you're delivering: features, functions, and quality expectations. Time is how long you have to deliver it: deadlines, milestones, and schedule. Cost is what you're allowed to spend: budget, resources, and equipment. These three form a triangle. If you change one side, the others must move. Increase scope. Add features, needing more time or cost, risking quality. Shorten time. Finish earlier often means increasing cost or reducing scope. Cut cost. Reduce budget, but reduce scope or extend time, risking quality. You can't change scope, time, or cost in isolation. Negotiate trade-offs. Ensure expectations remain realistic and the project stays under control.